Hi, my name is Brandon, and I'm here to tell you about my daily update of the worst day ever. So first, walking to school, Tony decided to give me a swirly. I mean, it was so bad. And while he was giving me a swirly, he gave me a wedgie. I didn't like it. Then we had science. And in science, we had the secret formula that would say that it gives you a big rash if you touch it. Well, it was right, because Tony just had to be my partner, and he dumped it down my back. And I had this giant rash. I had to go to the doctors, and it's still not even fixed. So, really bad. And then today at lunch, my class decided to have a food fight. And they just decided to throw a cupcake in my face. And somebody dumped a Snickers bar down my back. And it was so tingly sensation. So Tony. Is Tony back there? Well, I think it sucks because my rash is allergic to Snickers bars. And it's just not that good. And I don't like my day. Another Snickers bar! See, I know what I mean by the worst day ever, because now Snickers is falling from the roof, going down my back. Now, where's